Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start question number 7, evaluate. So we have a 48 raised to power minus 2 multiplied by 64 raised to power 1 by 2, 24 raised to power minus 1. So we have exponent in the form of minus. So इनको प्लस करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे कि इनको रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे. So we write as 24 raised to power 1. 64 इसी तरह आएगा क्योंकि ये हमारे पास ऑलरेडी प्लस में ही है, इसका एक्सपोनेंट और इसकी पावर जो है वो प्लस में है. 48 जो है वो नीचे जाएगा तो 48 रेज टू पावर 2 हो जाएगा. इफ़ वी फैक्टराइज 48, हम 48 को फैक्टराइज करें तो हमारे पास जो है वो आएगा 24 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 रेज टू पावर 2. यानी जो इसको फैक्टराइज करें तो ये जो 2 हमारे पास एक्सपोनेंट या पावर लिखी हुई है ये दोनों पे मौजूद है, 24 पे और 2 पे. सो वी राइट एज 24 रेज टू पावर 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 64 रेज टू पावर 1 by 2 divided by, according to the law we write as 24 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2. Now we have 24 raised to power 2. Here we have 24 one times and here we have 24 two times. So जो इसमें से हमारे पास एक 24 है वो इस एक 24 से कट जाएगा. रिमेनिंग हमारे पास एक 24 बाकी रहेगा. We write as 24 divided by 2 raised to power 2 and 64 raised to power 1 by 2. और अगर 64 को हम फैक्टराइज करें तो हमारे पास 8 रेज टू पावर 2 आता है. देन मल्टीप्लाई इट विद 1 by 2 विच इज़ अ पावर. Then divided by 24 multiplied by 2 to the 4. So 2 cut with 2. Here we have 8 by 24 multiplied by 4. Again we cut 4 with 8. 4 ones are 4, then 4 twos are 8. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So remaining we have 1 by 12. It means that 1 by 12 is answer. The next question number 8 we have find the cube roots of the following. So for finding the cube root of the following, so we have value cube root 740. By using calculator we write as shift and then cube root 3 and the value we have 740. So we have 9.04504. So cube root of 740 is equal to 9.0450. This is the answer. The next value we have cube root 190. So for taking cube root we write as cube root 190 and then by using a calculator we press shift and x cube, which means that we are going to taking cube root. So we have a value 190. So we have 5.748. 5.7488 and if we round we have 5.749. So cube root of 190 is equal to 5.749. This is the answer. The next question we have question number 9. Find the greatest 6 digits number that is perfect square. Now according to the question we have greatest 6 digit number is 999999. So this is the greatest 6 digit number and we are going to find square root of this number. So we write as 99999. Firstly we make pair, then we take a value as well as quotient and divisor. We take 9 because 9 nines are 81. So 81 is less than 99, so we subtract the value, we have 18. Then bring down the pair which is 9 9. Now we double the value 9 and 9, we have 18. Now take a value as well as quotient and divisor. So we take 9 as well as quotient and divisor. When we multiply 189 with 9, we have 1701. Now we subtract 1701 from 1899, we have 198. Now bring down another pair, which is 9 9, and then double the value 9 plus 9, we have 18. 1 carry to the next, 8 plus 1, we have 9 and 198. So take a value as well as quotient and divisor. We take 9 and we have 17901. Now we subtract this value from the upper value. So we have 1998. Now we have this value as remainder because this is infinite number. So we subtract the number for finding the required digit. We subtract 999999. We subtract 1998 from this value. So we have 998001. So this is a perfect square. If we see from the calculator, if we take square of 999, we have 998001. It means that the 999 is a perfect square of this value. The next question we have, question number 10. The volume of a cubical box is 32.768 meter cube. Then what is the length of its side? So volume of a cubical box is 32.768 meter cube, and we find length of its side. So we have a value, we remove decimal, then we have 1 in the place of decimal, and according to the digits we have 3 digits, so we write as 3 zeros. Now we take cube root of numerator as well as denominator. So we are going to take cube root of the value, which is cube root of value. We have 2 1s are 2 because the last digit is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, and 2 4s are 8. Again it is divisible by 2, so we have 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 9s are 18, and 2 2s are 4. Again it is divisible by 2, 2 4s are 8. Now we have only 1. 1 is less than 2, यानी 1 जो है वो 2 से छोटा है, तो हमें इसके साथ 9 भी लेना पड़ेगा. जब हम दो वैल्यूज़ को एक साथ यूज़ करेंगे, सो वी राइट 0 हेयर, यानी हमें यहाँ पर फिर 0 लिखना पड़ेगा. नाउ वी हैव 19. 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12. Again it is divisible by 2, so 2 2s are 4. 0 as it is 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. Now again it is divisible by 2, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again it is divisible by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, and 2 2s are 4. Again it is divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12. Again it is divisible by 2 because the last digit is 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16. Now we have 128. Again it is divisible by 2, so we have 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Now we have 64. So we find cube, so it is also divisible by 4. 4 1s are 4, 2 carry, 4 6s are 12, 4 4s are 16, and 4 1s are 4. Now we have value, we have 2 in cube, then 2 in cube, 2 in cube, 4 in cube. So we write as 2 cube. Here also we have cube because we are going to take cube root. So 2 cube multiplied by 2 cube, and then this 2 cube, and the last we have 4 cube. So here cube cut with cube root, and if we factorize 1000, we have 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. It is also in the form of cube. So now we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4, and here we have 10 cube which is cut with cube root. So now we have 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 4 the 32 divided by 10. And when we divide 32 by 10, we have 3.2. And here we also have meter cube. So meter cube also cut with cube root, and we have meter. So we have 3.2 meter. So length of a side is 3.2 meter. The next question we have, question number 12, find the following square roots. Now the first value we have 92.16. Firstly we make pair, then we take a value as well as quotient and divisor. We take 9 because 9 9s are 81, which is less than 92. Now we subtract 81 from 92. We have 11. Bring down the pair and decimal moves upward. So we have 1 6. Now double the value. 9 plus 9 we have 18. Take a value as well as quotient and divisor. We take 6. When we multiply 186 with 6, we have 1116 or 1116. So the square root of 92.16 is equal to 9.6. The next question we have 1867.1041. Now we are going to start working or taking square root. So we have 1867.1041. Firstly we make pair, then we take a value as well as quotient and divisor. We have 18. So we take 4. 4 4s are 16. If we take 5, 5 5s are 25, which is greater than 18. सो इस वजह से हमने जो है वो वैल्यू लेनी है हमारे पास 18 से छोटी वैल्यू हो. अगर हम 5 लेते तो 25 आता, वो 18 से बड़ा था. सो वी टेक 4 and 4. सो when we subtract we have 2, then bring down the pair, which is
67.
Now double the value. 4 plus 4 we have 8. Take a value as well as quotient and divisor. We have, when we multiply 83 with 3, we have 249. Now subtract 249 from 261. We have 18. Bring down the pair and decimal moves upward. Now we bring down the pair, which is 1 0. Again double the value. 3 plus 3 we have 6, then 8. Take a value as well as quotient and divisor. We take 2. Now multiply 862 with 2. We have 1724. Now subtract the value. We have 86. Now bring down the pair, which is 4 1. Double the value. 2 plus 2 we have 4. Then 6 8. Now take a value as well as quotient and divisor. So we take 1 because we have 862. Here we have
8641.
If we take 1 as well as quotient and divisor, we have 8641. Now we multiply with 1. We have 8641. So the square root of 1867.1041 is equal to 43.21. So this is the answer. Okay students, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.